The next important theory regarding the origin of state is the Marxist theory. This theory was presented by Karl Marx, who was the founder father of communism. In his economic interpretation of history, in his work The Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital, he identified state as a class institution, and that class institution was doing class operation and class exploitation. In that context, he explained about the feudal society where the class exploiting and oppressing were the feudal lords and vassals, and they were doing oppression and exploitation of the serfs and the slaves. When capitalist system was developed in that capitalist society, the bourgeois or the capitalist were identified as the class institution of that society who were doing oppression and exploitation of the proletariat or the working classes. So, according to Karl Marx, state was a class institution and it would only wither away. So, for it, there was the requirement of a brief period of dictatorship of the proletariat, the working class. So, finally, after the end of the dictatorship of the proletariat, state would wither away and there would be a stateless and classless society. So, in conclusion, it would be right to say that Marx was against the very institution of state, as he identified it as a class institution engaged in class operation and class exploitation. So finally, he predicted there would be a stateless and classless society, and it would be otherwise called by Marx the attainment of communism, or a communist society where there would be no state, no class.